mu majyaruguru, iburasirazuba, iburengerazuba n'amajyepfo, utirengagije umujyi wa Kigali. Uyu ni Barafinda Sekikubo Fred, umusaza w'ukuri w'akataraboneka, ufite impamvu nziza nyinshi 200 n'ibihumbi 2 ku rwego rwa Afurika, ariko 200 kubw'umwihariko n'uwo guteza imbere. Tunyuze muri Ruda rero, nkaba ndi perezida wa Ruda. Iyi ni demokarasi yihuse.
Rwanda gihugu cyiza, Rwanda gihugu nkunda, twasigiye n'abasogokuruza bacu. Rwanda ya gihanga ngoma ijana, twebwe abana b'u Rwanda tuzakubaka, amaboko yacu azakorera u Rwanda. Abakuru, abatoya, twese dufatanyije hamwe kubaka urwatubyaye.
Abanyarwanda twishyire twizane, demokarasi yihuse.
Demokarasi ni demokarasi muri demokarasi niyo demokarasi.
Abanyarwanda twishyire twizane, demokarasi yihuse. Abanyarwanda twishyire twizane, demokarasi yihuse.
Demokarasi ni demokarasi niyo demokarasi nya demokarasi niyo demokarasi nya demokarasi ni demokarasi nya demokarasi niyo demokarasi nya demokarasi niyo demokarasi nya demokarasi ni demokarasi koko.
Waciye ubukoroni n'amatsi ibihugu, Abanyarwanda twese ubu turi umwe. Ivanguramoko ntabwo rikitubamo, iterambere ryiza twarigezemo, muri demokarasi nziza yihuse. Abanyarwanda twishyire twizane, demokarasi yihuse. Abanyarwanda twishyire twizane, demokarasi yihuse.
Banyarwandakazi mwese muzaririmbe demokarasi ibihe byose. Fellow Africans, the quickest democracy has come. The quickest democracy goes like this. Demokarasi nya demokarasi nya demokarasi ni demokarasi nya demokarasi ni demokarasi demokarasi nya demokarasi ni demokarasi nya demokarasi yihuse ni demokarasi nya demokarasi ni demokarasi yihuse ni demokarasi nya demokarasi ni demokarasi yihuse. Africans, this is the quickest democracy for you. Is brought by Barafinda Sekikubo Fred, the senior politician with total seniority. Fellow Africans, this is the new kind of democracy has cropped from here in Africa, here in Rwanda, in Thousand Hills. Democracy ubuyobozi bwa benshi, theocracy ubutegetsi bw'Imana, theotechnoкраcy ubuyobozi bw'itsinda ry'abatekinisiye. Ikitonderwa gikomeye cyane, buno buyobozi bwose bwabayeho n'ubutegetsi bwabayeho ntibwubahirize demokarasi yaturutse mu Bugereki. Bityo rero intego ntiyagezweho bihagije bikwiriye. Tuzanye the quickest democracy here in Africa, basing here in Rwanda. Iyi niyo demokarasi nya demokarasi. Barababesha, barabashuka. Demokarasi ihitana abaturage ni demokarasi nyabaki. We have brought you the quickest and cheapest democracy. Easy to understand, easy to take, easy to go with, easy to sleep with, easy to drink it, and easy to eat it, and easy to satisfy it, and easy to be satisfied with this quickest democracy. brought to you by Barafinda Searchable Fred. Demokrasi, 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 nya demokrasi, ni demokrasi, demokrasi, nya demokrasi, ni demokrasi, 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 nya demokrasi, ni demokrasi, 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 nya demokrasi, ni demokrasi, 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 nya demokrasi, ni demokrasi, Nyarwanda, African democracy, the entire world. You shall enjoy this greatest democracy whatsoever at any cheapest cost. I am coming and I am in the corner coming, almost at the doorway coming inside. Thank you very much indeed, my fellow world people, my fellow comrade. We share the little and the big. Thank you very much. Call me at plus 250 78 34 28 622. That is my cellular number, based here in Africa, in the capital city of Africa, so-called Rwanda. And the sooner the better. I am coming, never to relinquish at all.